Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, this whole reading, it's an intuitive reading, guys, Taurus. So, if you have any doubts or confusion at some point of the reading, you may get clarity. So, it's better you watch till the end of the reading, Taurus. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So, for your general energies, we have 10 of Pentacles in reverse, Sun, and 9 of Wands. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may have a lot of struggles you need to go through. You are facing a lot of obstacles today, maybe some delays or suspensions in your work, or something is not right, something is missing, and you're working hard. And you may have people against you who are working against you and who are making your circumstances even more difficult for you. So, you have people who are jealous of you, jealous of your talents, jealous of your skills. So, you need to be careful, Taurus. You need to be careful with whom you trust, maybe when you are sharing information about yourself. You must be more careful about that. And in this relationship, also, you need to pay a lot of attention. Maybe this person may be someone you would have known for a short time. Now you lack clarity with this person. You may not have a good understanding. Maybe there may be some arguments or fights in this connection. And maybe for some of you, your circumstances will change, will resolve for something better. Maybe this person may understand whatever you are. Try to, trust you, try to believe you. So, there is a chance that things may change for the better because we have the Sun card here. So, with that card, it just means that everything is going to resolve maybe all the negative things that we said about your career or about your personal life. All that is going to change for you, Taurus. Things will begin to fall into place in your circumstances. So, we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's 8 of Pentacles. So, if this is the love for you, if you feel that you love this person, you want them, there are a lot of things you need to do today. Maybe you must use all your skills and talents today, trying to impress this person, or maybe they are trying to impress you with their talents, skills, their knowledge, and whatever positive attributes they have. So maybe this person loves you. This may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you, Taurus. So they are definitely trying to impress you and they want you to like them. So that is the reason, because they love you. So that may be the reason here, because they are truly in love with you, so that they want you to like them, so they are trying to impress you, maybe with some gifts, or maybe they are presenting you with a family gift heirloom, something like that. So it may be something expensive, and they are coming with gifts to impress you, Taurus. That is what I feel. So for your career situation, we will see what is the card here. It's King of Wands. So in your career, things are stabilizing. Whatever difficulties, maybe some delays or suspensions, whatever it was, circumstances are definitely changing. You are going to be more happy. You are going to be really successful. So that is what I see with this card for your career circumstance, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate. So, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair, brown, and trembling. So, with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you. And you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or um, that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the pink sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to, you deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card. And that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.